So welcome to one and all. Today we will be learning about the key features in extrusion based AM processes. One of the famous extrusion based AM process is FDM, that is fused deposit modeling. All these extrusion based models have got some key common features which are very essential. So today we are going to see what are these key features. The one of the first key feature is loading of material. See, material is most important because we are using that itself to print our desired object. So loading of the material feature, in general we want the continuous loading of material. We don't want any step. We want the material to go on continuously, and in general this loading, this whatever material can be in the form of liquid or solid. So but while printing it should be in semi solid or a very high viscous fluid, then only we can get the desired shape. So the major key factor in first key factor is in extrusion based model is loading of material, and second liquefaction of material. Now we all know how the FDM works. So to print the material I need to convert this solid material into a liquid material so that I can easily send it to a nozzle or some dye. So liquefaction of the material is the most important. In general, whatever be the material is heated like more than 50 degrees centigrade above its melting temperature, then it is extruded from the nozzle. That is the second key factor. Second, applying the pressure so that the liquid can move to the nozzles. Now see, I melted the liquid but it does not flow. I need to give the required pressure so that it can move through the nozzle. That is another key feature. Now this can be done in multiple ways. One, by using a pump or by using screw. So whichever needed, it can be done according to the material and the process. And from whatever the precision, we extrude the material. This is the major thing, extrusion. Now extrusion comes with more, we need to take care of two things. If I need to extrude a large amount of material, then I need to use a big nozzle. But by using this big nozzle, the accuracy of the material, the shape and the accuracy gets diminished. So this is a trade-off. If you want to have very high accuracy, you need to use the very smallest diameter of the nozzle possible. One if you want, time is more important, like you want to finish the activity in very less time, then you need to use a very high diameter nozzle. That's second thing. Now coming to the another one, printing. Now this printing is done by using a computer control. Now whatever file is there, it's automatically given in CAD. After that it given into the system. Now this is done using some motors itself. So basing on this motors it gets done. So whatever in FDM machines or in extrusion methods, there is automatically a controller which moves the nozzle in the required path. So the nozzle or the bed, anything in this both will be moving with respect to each other so that I can get the required shape. So the motion of the nozzle or the bed or both, depending upon the machine, it can be moved. So this movement is also very important so that I can get the required shape. Now okay, I am printing it now, but I printed the one layer. Now second layer is going to print, but we need to make sure that this previous layer which got deposited must be perfectly bonded to the next layer of the material. So the bonding of the both materials should take place perfectly. For this reason only the melting temperature, the extrusion is taken place above the 50 degrees above the melting temperature so that there can be a perfect bonding. And last and the most important, giving the support. See, while printing we can print many shapes which can there chances of the breakage. So while printing, while in design stage only, we need to make sure that it does not get any imbalance. It should be perfectly balanced. So we need to make sure that while printing itself we build the support material also, and the support material can be built by using the same material which you are building this object, or by using some other material which can be easily dissolvable in water. So these are the key features of the extrusion based process. Thank you.